Good evening, friends. Myself, Mr.Deepak Singh, today again with a new discourse, new type of poetries from allpoetry.com, Academy of Arts, with a tag name with an Aartiii The Jyoti. My friends, today I would be discussing something very interesting, very unique and very thrilling indeed. You have come across of my discussions so long of different subjects and on different poetries, right from the astrophysics term or on the neuroscience terms, various of the way in the life doctrines how one has to make it out. Today, my friend, I am also with a new type of poetry which I will be discussing with you all. Let me say or speak out something about the extract. The first, let me give you the drop of extract of that poetry. My friend, writing poetry on a neuroscience or keeping a doctrine on neuroscience in the terms of poetry realm has got indeed a very unique terminology to act on. What might be the terminology? Yes, my friend, you guessed or you have thought of right. The terminology of thoughts, the terminology of a unique way of thinking, the terminology of compressed form of thinking, the terminology to bring an approach to multi-craft on a same unit of time. My friend, I'm just inclining myself, or could be said that I am ascending myself above on the upstairs through a stairs. Through the stairs, I am just ascending myself. It is my choice to bring on an effect to my own self, that how should I choreograph myself or how should I orchestrate myself to the upstairs while going through the stairs. I can go step by step by step, or I could jog myself on my feet in such a way such that I could also do some kind of jogging over there in terms of having some exercise to avoid or get a terms of osteoporosis. I'm working for my bones too there. So that is on my own choice. If I'm walking through some place or going to some place, it is my choice that if I walk briskly to burn some of my calories, or rather walk out efficiently with the sail of time. It is the fact that how we should tap the fact of events to cushion out or quotient out the intelligence factor. Writing poetry on neuroscience is not only to that much extent to be aware on the tools of consciousness, to be get aware of the way to it, but rather to much important form it is to learn or impart the way that how who is getting accustomed of those writings learn a multi-craft on a same unit of time. A number of various of works could be made on a same unit of time. Today the world has changed a lot. We are performing numerous of works at a unit of time. So why should not we induce, or why should not we bring the induction in such a way in the terminology of our own neuroscience, so that we could bring the arc of intelligence between our corpus callosum in such a way that it will bring out numerous approach together acting to yield out a number of work facilities. Keeping this all in view, generally that is also a fact in general form, to imbibe out, to bring out the factor of intelligence, that how an intelligence could be, or how a unit intelligence could be discovered, or how a unit intelligence could be made on. Academia of Arts is not a subjectivity form or the learning form to get itself in the form, get lost of the fact that yes, I am lost and I am totally there, what that has been saying on. Now my friend, you have to garner your own issue of facts. You have to make out work your own brain, to bring on the effort, to bring on the approach, so that you too also weave and spin or spun the neuronal factors in such a way that you are profited with many ways, with the knowledge, wisdom, not only with the knowledge and wisdom or with the word proliferation, but indeed, my friend, in decoding those lines, you need, or you will just learn how to bring on tapping intelligence with a unit of time, and learn how to compress the moments of space to bring a numerous virtue on the accent of time. Everyone has got time. Everyone, each and every person, everyone has got time. 24 hours, 84,600 seconds is gifted to each and every human species who is on the terms of living with a virtue. Now, how you are inculcating, or how you or we are managing on those 84,600 seconds to bring on a multi-approach wouldn't have been possible unless until we learn to tap the factors of intelligence. Because when the terms of intelligence is coming over there, at that time, then you are on the terms of beyond friends. Only then only you will able to bring on an IQ or intelligence quotient to develop or evaluate an intelligent quotient acting on in yourself. What was the use of learning neuroscience? Or what is the use of infusing neuroscience or bringing on the doctrine of neuroscience in the terms of poetry and with the orchestra of the universe or universal terms, keeping all the syntax and lexicograms with the flux of thoughts of the universe and cosmos together acting in synchronization with the cognitive core acting on together to deliver a mind? Why? Why that kind of mind, my friend? What is the use of that kind of mind? What need to be get professed of that kind of mind, my friend? Indeed, the use to bring the volume to the mind and the mass to the mind, or bring on a density to the mind, only to give, my friend, intelligence. That intelligence factor, that nothingness factor that acts with intelligence quotient. So on this facts, the poetries are generally written to compress the accent of time. We have got speed, we have got velocity, we have got different utilities acting together. With the same time, with the same, every sector of the globe has got 84,600 seconds to be acted on. Some are too swift, some are harnessing on. What is the objective? Obviously, intelligence. So this is the fact. There's all of the facts. These are all the facts to bring on the modulus term of poetry, my friend. Not only that we should remain to be conscious and bring on the motto for knowing the brain and keeping it healthy and nurturing it out, but also to learn how to bring on a presence of intelligence in such a way on the crux of time that we use time with the time, by the time, to the time, my friend. So that is the topic today, my friend. I will be discussing today vectors of quantum psychology. There exists methodology of epistemology with a composition of algebra of mind. Please go through the poem. You may enjoy it.